quick snack or laugh. It's too short to be serious. Folks, we are having all kinds of fun over this next week with Dairy Queen's new spring menu. We're going to start out with Oreo Dirt Pie, because that's the one a lot of people I've seen kind of be like, ooh, I'm intrigued. Even though the one I'm most interested in is the cheesecake fudge, caramel fudge cheesecake. They've got a whole nice line of spring items. 2 blizzards that are, designated as new, and that's the first 2 I'm gonna review. Cherry chocolate chip or something is back. I've never done a review for that. That's coming. Mint, Thin Mint's back, along with cotton candy, and I can't remember if there's anything else. There's at least one more. It's Drumstick. They say cotton candy's limited time, only blizzard of the month, so I would say go get that now, but it is part of their spring menu. So, spring/summer menu. You've also got the Poolside Twisty Misty and new pink lemonade Twisty Misty. I will be reviewing those together. I've already reviewed the Fruity Blast, which is like a cereal milk flavored, fruity cereal flavored dip, ice cream dip, cone dip. And then one more thing, you got a s'more shake. So I'll be reviewing all these things. Just keep your eyes out. Make sure to subscribe. That's the best way to see all these reviews. But I thought I'd kick it off with the Dirt Pie. And oh man, it is a glorious mess. They really filled up these mini cups, which is a curse and a blessing. But yeah, it's melting over here, my daggone cheesecake. So it's going to look very sloppy for that next review that's coming up. So I don't want to hold y'all too long here. But you can see there, I'm having a hard time. But it really does have gummy pieces in it. So it's going to be intriguing to see how this turns out. But yeah, it's got Oreo pieces and it's got gummy pieces and chocolate. Lots of chocolate. Very dark chocolate vibes here. So here we go. Oh boy. It's very hard to eat. Very, very hard to eat. I'm over here. I'm distracted because my other blizzard is just becoming an absolute mess from melting. I feel like I reviewed the wrong one first. I should have, done otherwise. Man, the chocolate. Very odd. Like, I enjoy it, but it is the most difficult blizzard I've ever had in terms of trying to eat it. And I don't know if this is going to be a unique to each person experience, but for me, I struggle so badly trying to chew the gummy worm that I don't really get the flavor of the gummy worm till I eat the chocolate. And there's plenty of gummy worm in here. There is plenty of pieces. It's not bad. It's kind of like eating dirt pie or dirt cake. But it's kind of difficult to eat. So, for me, I don't know. I don't want to give it a high rating, but everything tastes good. It just doesn't flow like it should. So for me, I'm not gonna, this might be a little high, but I'm gonna say 6.5. It just doesn't flow well, but everything checks out with the chocolate, with the Oreo. with the gummy pieces. It all tastes good, but for me, just because it doesn't all calculate, doesn't all kind of formulate something that I need it to be, I'm gonna have to say, for me, 6.5. It works though. So yeah, a lot of people are like, how is this gonna work? And it really, to me, doesn't quite work. It tastes good, but you're eating all the chocolate part of it, and then you're kind of getting the gummy down. So it's a little weird, but it's good. So anyways, that's my review. I'm sticking to it, and I will see y'all around.